This is my new Leatherman Wave. I just bought it yesterday. Came with this in a blister pack, so it sealed package. Some issues I noticed with this. Again, some quality control issues from recent Leatherman production. Okay, the finish is quite okay. First thing I noticed is the saw blade. Again, like the Leatherman charge I have, there's some play up and down, so probably it's a short liner lock or over machined pivot on the blade. Okay, the Leatherman Wave doesn't have the file rub issue as with the Leatherman Charge TTI or other variants of the Charge. All of the other tools, the outside tools, the serrated blade, solid locking, just some imperfections with the finish. Well, that's okay. Solid locking on the serrated blade, solid locking on the file. No play at all. Solid locking on the plain edge blade. No problem with this. So it's just that on the saw blade. That's some play. Okay, on the inside tools, some issues again. I noticed that it's just on one side of one handle. Okay, the scissors, noticeable blade play. Worse than the play on the saw blade. This worse. Can you hear that? Maybe you can. There. Just up and down. I think a little left to right, or I just noticed the up and down play. And also on the eyeglass tool with the small screwdriver. Noticeable play again. I hope you can hear that. There. Again, this is a brand new tool on a sealed packaging. the pry bar or the large flathead screwdriver. Yesterday I think this doesn't have any play at all, but now just very little there. Just very little play. Not as worse as the on the scissors and on the eyeglass tool. Okay, so for this side of this handle, there's some issues. This side on the can opener, bottle opener, this locks solidly. Not even a little play, no play at all. Why can't they do that to all the tools? Is that hard for the engineers or the quality control department to make acceptable clearances or whatever that is? So this tool also locks solidly. No amount of play at all. And you can hear the solid locking. And when you unlock the tool, if it locks solidly, you're gonna feel that. I hope the light doesn't. Oh, okay, there. You can hear that. When you unlock a solid locking tool, you can hear the click. That's what I noticed. Like here. Okay. When you unlock this tool, you can hear that click. When the tool is loose or there's an amount of play, like here on the eyeglass tool, that unlocking sound is weak. There or not at all. Hear that? It unlocks not the same way as the solid locking sound. Same goes with the scissors. That play. Okay, when you unlock it, you're not gonna hear that solid unlocking sound, solid click. If you can compare it with the other side, okay, this side that locks solidly. Can I hear this? There, that sound. There, that sound. Okay, I guess you get my point. I have nothing against Leatherman. Actually, I love Leatherman multi-tools. I don't even bother buying any other brand. Okay, they say in the forums that Victorinox has a soft metal they use, so the wire cutters usually breaks when you even on normal use. Okay, this is not a hate video, or if you watch my Leatherman charge issues, my video on that, I'm making these videos to, I guess, to show Leatherman that please make quality tools, quality multi-tools as you used to do, as what your quality used to be. The older tools you released are far better than these ones. Okay, on my charge video I actually tested quite a lot units. They're actually on not on sealed packages like this, so I had a chance to try a lot on every store here in the area. There are not a lot, so I went to Cabela's, Mec, and what's that store? I think it's Wholesale Sports or something. So almost all the tools that I tried, all the Leatherman charge that I tried, has issues, like the file rab issue, but most of them has blade play, the outer tools, and then play on the inner tools, and the known the scales. The charge has scales on the handles, they move. Okay, I really hope that Leatherman straighten up their quality control, so we buy we buy Leatherman, or we love Leatherman because of their top-notch quality and the functionality of their tools. So I hope you get my point. Okay. Thanks for watching.